Let's make macarons, or what is the right way to say it?
Look at all that coffee. 140 grams of almond flour, sift through a fine strainer. Any larger pieces that can't easily go through, discard. 125 grams of powdered sugar and 7 grams of ground coffee bean. Mix and then sift it through the strainer one more time. Any larger pieces, discard. To a mixing bowl, you're gonna add 100 grams of egg whites, no egg yolk at all. Mix until white and fluffy. Then you'll be mixing and slowly adding sugar. Make sure you get all that sugar from the sides. And you're gonna mix until stiff peaks. This is not stiff peak yet, it's a soft peak. And this is what we're looking for. I'm gonna quickly mix our meringue with a spatula to deflate any bubbles. Then add all the dry ingredients and mix. It's so important not to overmix. When it's stiff like this, it's not ready. But when it slowly falls off the spatula, it's ready. The only rule is to pipe them the same size because you're gonna put two shells together. Now you're gonna tap the tray against the table to release any air pockets and make them perfect if you like. This is the most important step. You're gonna let them air dry until they form a shell. Bake only one tray at a time. To make the filling, you can use either cream cheese or mascarpone, cream, powdered sugar, and coffee extract. Okay, now find them a perfect match and put them together.
What I like about coffee bean macarons is that bitterness from the coffee bean dilutes the sweetness and it's not as sweet.
They taste best on the second and third day.